Versys 650. Just want to talk about future plans a little bit. As you can know, I bought it. I haven't done anything to it except for the tires. That's a TKC80 front tire on the front and the Shinko 805 big block on the rear. Next plan with this thing is probably going to be guarding this front. I've already had some gravel and stuff come up and hit the radiator, so I really want to get that protected. I couldn't figure out which radiator guard was best to get, and I was asking around, and I actually came by a guy on the Facebook group who had said do-it-yourself radiator guard, and he had taken a piece of mesh. See, all the radiator guards, they only mount on the front of the radiator, but this guy had taken a piece of mesh and cut it to shape to where it went all the way down past the horn, past the pipes, past the case, and it guarded all of that. And after seeing it, one, it looked cool, and two, I think that would be super beneficial. I mean, this case, the chances of slinging a rock up hard enough to bust this are very slim. But man, I guess coming from the dirt bike scene, I'm just not used to a case being that open and bare. So if I could cover all this up, that would be great. So that'll probably be next. I don't know if I'm going to have to move this fender up or not. I'm going to see how it does with rocks. If I do, then I'll just move it up very slightly. I think I can move it up maybe a ½ inch and not have to mess with the brake line. So maybe I'll do that. Crash bars, definitely going to happen. And some kind of skid plate or something probably. Those are probably going to be held off till spring more than likely. Because after picking this thing up and doing the tires and with the WR project and everything, I'm tapped out. I actually used my AdSense money. Thank you all. I used my AdSense money to get these tires. So they paid 2 months of AdSense, ended up paying for my tires. So thank you guys for watching the ads. Thank you for coming back. If I can afford to keep doing it, I'm going to keep making videos. So, but yeah, besides that, maybe might do the seat mod to try to bring the seat up a little bit so don't feel like I'm sliding right down in it. That's still up in the air. I got my Roam mount on for my phone, and besides that, that's going to be about it for a while. I really just want to ride it, but yeah, see the tires again. I really just want to enjoy this bike and actually put mile upon mile on it. There's the Jealous DR sitting over there that doesn't get rode quite as much, but she's still going to get rode, that's for sure. And this will also give some time, maybe take her apart and do some stuff to it too. I feel like I need to replace the clutches on it and do a few odds ends things, and I don't have time to do that with this thing rideable. But alright guys, just wanted to give you an idea of what I was going to do with the Versys. Look for more videos. I'll have plenty of moto vlogs with the Versys. I'm going to do an oil change video. Those videos do really well. You'd be surprised. So awesome. Thanks guys so much. See you in the next one.